Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Subhanshu Verma, Information Security Analyst at Ducara, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own exploit for the Metasploit. So if you can develop your own exploit, so there will be no patch and the antivirus software wouldn't detect it. So let's start. Open the leaf pad, type the exploit data which you want to make it. I'll make for a flash, so already paste it here. So here you can see the data of the exploit. The full program has been typed here. Save the file. Here I'm giving the name exploit. The exploit work in the Ruby language in the Kali Linux. So you have to give the extension .rb, which is for Ruby. Save it on the desktop. Now copy the exploit and paste it on the directory of the Metasploit Framework by which the exploit were loaded by the msfconsole. Go to the locations, select the computer, user, share, so you can select the Metasploit Framework, go to modules. So you can also paste it on the exploit file, but I am pasting on evasion to find easily. Paste it there. Here are exploit.rb. Cut this. Now open the MSF console here. It takes time to open. So here you can see the Metasploit framework is started. So we have to select our exploit from the evasion. Type show evasion. Here you can see our exploit, Windows/exploit. So to use this, type use evasion /Windows/exploit. Hit enter. So here you can see our exploit is loaded and easy to run. So I have not the another target system, so I cannot perform you the live demonstration of this exploit. So that's all about. By this you can make your own exploits easily. Thank you.